Hi guys, welcome to APG.STUDIO, and today is all about how to do lunges. Okay, we got the first video how to get the right position and work the muscles, make them stronger, especially in front of your legs, the upper part. And now I'm going to work how to stretch your hips to go lower with this pose. Okay, let's get ready. Let's start on your knees. You're going to place your right foot forward and you're going to move directly straight forward. So check where you're placing your foot. Okay, if it's somewhere here or is in a line with your right hip, and this is the position we're looking for, because we want the movement straight forward, not forward and side. Okay, so better you've got your foot right place and the movement is just tiny inch, instead going lower but going sideways, so you're not using the muscles right way. Okay, you want to stretch just directly in your hamstring, glutes, right leg, also your hip, but front of your left hip flexor and your quadricep. Inhale, release, and exhale, stretch. If you're beginner, probably this is how far you can go. If you're trying more, because you can see, oh yeah, she's going lower, I can do, that's the movement. You've got the feeling you are lower, but it's not from your hips, it's because you change position of your head by leaning forward. Okay, so be aware of this position. Upper body is the same. Movement is only here, from your hips. Inhale to release, exhale, stretch. And as you practice more, you're going to feel you've got more flexibility, bigger range of movement in your hips, your joints, ankle, knees, and you can go further and further. Just one thing, if when you start in here and you've got more, you notice you're lifting your heel. So that's the moment you need to move your foot slightly forward to have more space to go deeper with your hips. So your knee is always directly above your ankle. And let's try the same with your left leg. Inhale, you are ready, and exhale, move forward. Again, checking where is your leg. And the muscles tight, you're going to notice it's easier for you to move your leg more to your side, instead keep it straight in line with your hip. Okay, left side right now. And because we're going down with your hips and forward, so it's movement like towards your front heel, you need to squeeze glutes and the back leg. Inhale. Slowly exhale. I'm not going any lower because this is for beginners. So that's probably how you're going to start. Remember, not pulling hard, not leaning forward, just moving your hips. Inhale and exhale. And eventually you're going to be lower, so it's going to be time to move your front leg for more space. Inhale and exhale. When you're going to be comfortable, really deep lunge, you're just holding for 1 or 2 breaths. You're going to change leg again. So first is just movement, after that you can hold, you can add arms if you'd like to. Inhale, slowly exhale, inhale, and exhale, maybe 1 more, inhale, slowly exhale. And let's do the same for the left leg. Inhale, and exhale. But if you're comfortable with the stretch, otherwise it's still moving back and forward, okay? Just give your body time. Inhale, be ready for more. I like holding the stretching for longer. Okay, so that's for now. It's gonna be another video, how to progress and lift your heel and hold higher. But right now is how to go deeper, wider with your legs, to really work with good flexibility in your hips and your legs. Okay, so thank you. I hope this video was useful for you. New things to learn to understand what it's all about in this pose. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and hopefully I see you soon. Bye guys.